This tool draws a polyline from a set of points. You must select the starting point. The tool finds the nearest point to the starting point and draws a segment. Then find the nearest point to the second point and draws a new segment. Finally, a polyline is drawn linking all the points consecutively. The tool asks for a set of points. Then ask for the starting point. If the starting point does not belong to the set, it adds the starting points to the set. There is a box named Skip Zero Distances. If any point is duplicated, the distance between this pair is 0. If this box is checked, the app will not link this pair. Therefore, the duplicated point will be linked to any other. This lets you draw circles or closed polylines when the starting point is duplicated. If you uncheck this box, the app link together any duplicated pair, so that the final polyline have a duplicated vertex. The distances computed are tridimensional. If the set of points is not planar, you should use a spline or a 3D polyline to link the points together.